Hey, hope you are doing great. If you are running Google Ads to get leads but not tracking your lead conversions, you are basically running ads blindly because Google needs conversion data to understand who is actually becoming your customer. Without it, Google can't optimize your ads properly and you might be wasting budget. In this video, I will quickly show you how you can set up lead event conversion tracking with Google Tag Manager and improve your ad performance. So without further ado, let's get started. You can see this is my website and I connect this Google Tag Manager with this website. First of all, I have to collect the event. When someone submit this form, I need to collect an event. It can be anything like lead, form submission, anything. So let's preview the Google Tag Manager and see what's happening. Click on preview. You can see the Google Tag Manager is connected and this is my contract form. So now I have to fill up this form. Just click on submit. You can see I already submitted the form. If I go to the tag assistant, you can see here is event. The event name is generate lead. If I click on data layer, then you will see this is the event name and this is the user data like user first name, last name, email, and phone. To set up the enhanced conversion tracking, we need the email and phone number, I mean user data. Now I need to set up the Google Ads tag. So before creating Google Ads tag, I need to go to Google Ads and need to create a conversion. So you can see here is my Google Ads account. I have to go to the goals section here, you can see, and conversion. Now I have to create a conversion. So click on new conversion action. And in my case, I'm going to create submit lead form. Click this on, select your website, I mean data source, conversion setting. So I'm going to use this as a primary conversion and submit lead form is okay for me. And the value can be same. I would like to count on because it's not parses. That is why we will count just on. But for parses, we always count every action. Okay. And everything is okay. Attribution is data driven. Then done. Save and continue. Use Google Tag Manager. Here you can see this is the conversion level and this is the conversion ID. So now I have to create the tag in Google Tag Manager. So go to Google Tag Manager. Here I have to go to first variable and click on new. Now I have to select the constant because I'll create a variable for this conversion ID. So paste it here. Let's save it. Then tags, click on new. It will be Google Ads. First of all, we have to enable the conversion linker. All pages. Save. Now it will be Google tag. And here we have to add AW. Then we can add here the conversion ID manually, or we can call the conversion ID variable. Okay. Like this. Okay. And let's click on save. Now click on new. Again Google Ads. Then Google Ads conversion tracking. Now conversion ID. So we are create a variable for conversion ID. So now I have to collect the conversion label. To collect the conversion label, I need to go to the Google Ads. And here you can see conversion label here. Just copy this one, go to Google Tag Manager and paste it over here. Now I need to create some variables. So to create these, first of all, I can save the tag. Now I need to create some variables. So let's create, go to variables, new, then data layer variable. We have to collect the email and phone. to collect the email, I have to just copy this email because this my data layer is texture. In your case, it can be different. Based on your data layer, you have to collect the email or phone, okay? So let's go to Google Tag Manager, paste it here. Save. Now, phone. Copy this one. Again, data layer variable. Paste it here. Save. Now go to triggers and copy this one. Click on new. It will be custom event. Paste it here. Now again go to tags and this is the tag. So under the value, we have to use a static value because in our form there is no value. So click on ambient finish. If I click here, you will see here is the value, okay? Write 100. There is no transaction ID, currency code can be INR. And there is no provide product level sales data or new customer data or shipping data, okay? So I'm not going to use these. Now the trigger will be generate lead. Click on save. Now to set up the enhanced conversion, we have to again click on new. Then Google Earth user provided data event, conversion ID. This is the conversion ID. And to provide the user provided data, we can click on new variable. And here manual configuration and email. We have to select the form email. This is the email and this is the phone. Let's save. And the trigger will be saying generate lead. Save. Okay, our tags are created done. So let's check it out. Click on preview and write a name here. Let's click on submit. If I go to tag assistant, you can see generate lead. If I go to the tags, you can see this is the ads tag, it's fired. This is the user data tag, I mean enhanced tag. Both are fired. And if I go to the variables, you can see here, this is our email and this is our phone. So I hope you could understand all these things properly. If I go to Google Ads conversion goals, then you can see here submitted lead form. We created this one to set up the conversion tracking, and here you can see it's already active, and that is why you can see a no recent conversion. When you will run ads and get the conversion, then it will start counting the conversion. So that's all for today. I hope you guys understand all these things. If you have any questions or confusion, feel free to ask in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in next video. Till then, bye bye.